And we're here with part 2 of the beetle invasion. Check this out. They're on me. They're on my hair. They're on my hair. This is just amazing. Alright, I'm going into the hotspot now. Enter now. Okay, I'm in the hotspot. They're over here. This is the side of the house. Wish I could set this up in a tree. Ah, one's in my head. Look at this. Look how terrible this is. Oh, there's one. Yeah, they're all over me now. Mom, try to capture one. It's fun. Shed, I got a hot spot right here. Whoa. Alright. You guys gotta see this. Freaking. Mom, come here for a second. I think this is where they hatch. Whoa. I mean, okay, I'm gonna start walking through the wireless hotspot. What'd you say? Oh, I know. Well, look at that hole over there. Alright, I'm gonna show the camera over here. Ah. Okay, they like trees. These are like, look at these things. Freaking all over the place. Whoa. Oh, there's one on the ground. Alright, I'm gonna go show Mom the hole. Alright, the hole's right there. I'll show you. Alright, you two. This is such an invasion. Such. Oh, yes, okay. Right here, this hole. Maybe, maybe not. But, yeah, we got this freaking. Ooh, right there. We're swarming around something. Excuse me, beetles. Can I come in? Oh. Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute? Oh, excuse me, are you two mating? Oh, look. 3 of them on the ground. 3 of them on the ground. 3 of them on the ground. No, they're climbing. Oh, another one. Bye-bye. They're on the ground. I hope you guys see this. This is madness. Try to pick one up for you. Try to pick one up for you guys. Right there. Right there, guys. I'm gonna be right back. You guys just look at the beetles in the meantime. I'm gonna go get a cup, Mom. It's catching time. It's catching time. Darn it, I should have turned it that way. Alright, back. Sorry about that. Now, I'm gonna go start catching some. Oh, you know what? This is probably gonna be put into 3 parts, so yeah.